If you have a John Deere flex draper and you're looking to make improvements on flow from the belts up into the feeder house, we have the product for you. We're going to start off by looking at the old system or the current system on the Deere flex draper. As you can see, it's a drum style that has steel fingers on it to help feed crop in as it's coming across the belt. So if you bend a finger, you have more of a chance of having to go out there and fix it. Or if you have to run a rock through the drum, then you got to basically put a new drum in, put all your fingers back in, and then you're going to have to go through the whole timing situation. So what we had to replace that is over here on the right is the Compag feed drum replacement. If you recognize the name, it's actually the manufacturer that makes the Feed Accelerators we've been selling and have really good luck with. Really good really good feedback from customers. Really like how the system works. Now they have a feed drum that will replace what you have for your finger feed. We'll kind of go through a little bit of the product here. It is mostly focused on replacements in your late 600 models, late serial number 600 model flex drapers all the way up to your RDS. And we're going to keep it really focused between 30 to 40 foot drapers as well. So kind of keep that in mind when you're looking at it. The main premise behind it is to help pull that crop apart and to give it a little more even flow into the feeder house chain. That will reduce some of that stress on the chains, reduce some of that wear. So as you get a thicker crop, what it's going to do is as it works across, fingers or the augering system will help pull that product apart and pull it up into the feeder house. So whatever gets left over hopefully is pretty even flow into the center and keeps it even across the feeder house itself. You may be wondering what the fingers are all about. These are more or less focused on your heavier crops like wheat and canola. You're not going to worry about it on soybeans, but on those you would use those fingers on those heavier crops to help pull that apart and pull it up out of the feeder house. On beans, soybeans, you would actually take these off. You're not going to use them. That's how we reduce pod shatter when it gets up to the feeder house. So you don't have all that loss. You know, some of the beans kicking out onto the field, now they're making it up into the feeder house and getting into your grain tank. So again, if you're looking to reduce downtime doing repairs, want to increase that feed flow up into the feeder house, we have the product right here for you. If you have any questions on that product, feel free to give us a call at 800-934-9777 or check it out on sloanex.com.